mile-an-hour winds gusting to 30. Having a ball with my nephew Andrew. Oh no! I guess, wow. Let me try to slow this baby down a little bit. Try to push it your way. Let me put my phone down, Andrew. And I'll kind of hang on to this side so it doesn't flip on you when you try to get in over there, okay?
Yeah.
All right. There you go. A little more body mass in the center. There we are. Okay.
Well, that was fun.
I guess so.
Oh, wow.
Woohoo! All right. I better get away from you. So
I thought this was the last tricky one.
Yeah, I think we're kind of hung up here a little bit. There we go. All right. I'm going to back up. Watch your head. Well, Andrew demonstrates how to get in and out of the kayak on the lake in heavy winds.